Imagine your PC locking instantly when someone touches your mouse. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up this crazy Windows trick. But before we dive in, if you are new to the channel, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to automatically lock the screen when the mouse is moved, I'm going to use my virtual machine for demonstration, okay? So to get started, I'm going to open my virtual machine, which I've launched already. And this tutorial works best if you forget to lock your screen, okay? You stepped away from your PC and didn't lock the screen. The moment the mouse is moved, your PC is going to lock automatically, okay? So to do that, you have to install AutoHotkey onto your machine, okay? And for the purpose of this tutorial, I've already installed the AutoHotkey. So to get started, I'm going to right click on the desktop. Then I go to new and then AutoHotkey script. So I'm going to name my script mouse lock. Okay, mouse lock. Okay, then I'll press on the enter key. So I'm going to right click on it. Then I go to show more options. And then to edit it, we are going to click on the edit script. So I'm going to delete all this. Then I'm going to copy the script. Okay, we are going to use for the mouse lock. Okay, so I'm going to copy this script. And then I'll paste it in the AutoHotkey. So to save it, I'm going to click on the file. Then we'll click on save. So I'm going to close the mouselock.arc, okay? And then to make this script work, I'm going to double click on it. So now it's running at the background, okay? So now the moment I move the mouse, the screen is going to be locked automatically, okay? So let's see what happens if I move the mouse. So now you see the screen is locked, okay? So let me log in again quickly, and then we demonstrate again. So now I've not moved the mouse yet, okay? So let me move the mouse again, and then we see the outcome of this tutorial, okay? So let me move the mouse. You see the screen is locked, okay? So this is best if you move away from your PC without locking the screen. And for security wise, you have to turn on this on your PC, okay? So this brings us to the end of this quick tutorial. Please, if you find value in this video, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.